Hey y'all, how are we doing today? Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make this hair tie. I don't know if you enjoy making hair ties or what have you, but this is a really quick, fun to do thing. And these are the colors I'm going to be using. This is Lion brand, pom-poms. And we're going to be using a, let's see here, a 3.0 millimeter hook. Of course we need a hair tie, anyone, just don't matter what one. Pair of scissors, a yarn needle, and that should do it. And of course, having fun. Okay, we'll go ahead and we'll get started. Alright, just simply do a slip knot on the hook. Go ahead and grab your headband. Now, what we're going to do is we're just going to do a round of single crochet around the elastic band. Just no rhyme or reason. You don't have to have a specific amount around the thing, but just try to get it full. That's all I ask. Simple single crochet. I'll go ahead and show you in case you don't know. Go ahead and pull the yarn over. See how you got two loops on the hook? Yarn over and then pull through both those loops. And there you have it. There's your single crochet. Okay, just continue on going all the way around the elastic band, and once we get to the end I will get right back to you. Okay, as you can see how it's getting nice and full, just simply slide it over a little bit and then try to do a little bit more, so this way it's you don't see the elastic band if at all possible. But if you do, it's no big deal. Just try to do the best you can. Okay, once we're done this round, we will simply go into the top of the first single crochet to do a slip stitch to kind of finish it off. Now we're going to attach the other color. Have no rhyme or reason as to why I picked these certain colors, but I just love the combination of the two, so that's why I'm using this gold color along with this red. Okay, for those of you that don't know how to attach, all I do is just simply take the yarn and pull it through the loop. And just do your best you can. And hold on to those little ends so they don't slide through. I just simply tuck it underneath my middle finger. There we go. Alright, now go into that next stitch and do a single crochet to kind of like hold it together. Alright, so now this round, what we're going to do is, first we're going to go ahead and cut this piece right here. Just make sure you leave enough room so you can be able to, of course, sew it in. Okay, this next round we'll do a single crochet and a triple crochet, of course in separate stitches. Okay, like I just did there, I did the single crochet, yarn over twice. For those of you that don't know how to do a triple crochet, go ahead and insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. As you can see here, if I can get it to separate, you have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2. Yarn over, pull through the next 2. If I can get this to cooperate, we'll be really good, won't we? Okay, we'll go ahead and do yarn over again and go through the last 2. Our next stitch is going to be a single crochet. And then the stitch after that, of course, is going to be the triple crochet. Okay, we'll repeat that process until the end of the round. I just want to show you that little pop it's going to give by doing the triple crochet. along with a single crochet, just like how you've seen in the other hair tie. Kind of raised up a little bit and gave it that little texture. Okay, triple crochet in the next single crochet in the next. Okay, I'll go ahead and show you really quick if I can get this yarn to cooperate. See how the texture is? Isn't that really cool? Alright, I guess I'll see you at the end of the round. Alright, we're here at the end of the round. I don't know if you could notice the really nice texture that it's done because of that triple crochet. Hopefully you enjoyed as much as I do. Just do a slip stitch into the top of the first single crochet that we did here. Whoops. Our next step, we're going to go and we'll go ahead and do a star. Okay, I like doing a second slip stitch, so that's up to you how you want to do it. Okay, just be sure to leave a little bit so we can sew in on the ends. Okay, now that we got that all tucked away, we're going to go ahead and start on those stars. And I think I'm going to take the red and make some stars from there. Alright, hang on, we'll be right back. Okay, I got a slip knot on the hook. I'm going to go ahead and do a chain 2. Now in that second chain, we're going to do a total of 6 single crochets. There's 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Okay, we'll do a slip stitch into the top of the single crochet in the first. I tend to have a tedious little time when it comes to these little hooks, so please bear with me. Okay, once we get that slip stitch, we'll go ahead and do a chain 3. Now I'm going to go back down the chain. Starting in the second chain, we'll do a slip stitch, and then the next stitch will be a single crochet. Okay, and what we'll do after that, we'll do a slip stitch into the next stitch to attach it. And we'll repeat this for a total of, 4 more times. So in other words, it'll be 5 total. Just like how you've seen here on the starfishes that are here on the hair tie. Alright, as you can see here, this really cute starfish. I'm going to go ahead and finish it off by doing a slip stitch, and then I'm going to cut a little piece long enough to sew into the hair tie. Now you can make as many or as little as you want to attach to that hair tie, or just leave the hair tie as is. That's entirely up to you. Okay, once we get this attached, it'll look a lot more cuter, but right now, just kind of rough edged right now. Hopefully that helps a little bit better. Put a little light on the subject. Okay, just simply take your yarn needle and sew in this little piece right here, and then we'll go ahead and we'll attach it to the hair tie. Now I just went ahead and just made one for right now. So like I say, if you want to have just one, then just have just one. If you want 2, however many you want to place along the hair tie, it's entirely up to you. Alright, let's go ahead and attach this to the actual hair tie. Just taking that yarn needle. Okay, just simply place it anywhere that you want. I'm going to place mine right here. Now what you simply do is just, of course, go into the actual starfish itself and just kind of run it straight back. See how I'm doing it? I just do that back and forth 2 or 3 different times, making sure that I attach different sections of the starfish itself. Seeing that it's the same color, it helps out a lot, so it doesn't show too much. Okay, I'm just going to simply go ahead and attach it to the back now. Just kind of weave in and weave out. And of course, we'll cut that end. Alright. And there you go. A cute little starfish on the hair tie. I don't know, for some reason it's not cooperating. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. Have a good day. I'll see you when I see you.